Once upon a time, I found myself wandering in the charming streets of Agra. Everywhere I looked, there were stunning examples of Mughal architecture and culture, and the tantalizing aroma of the street food wafted through the air. Intrigued by the local delicacies, I asked for recommendations and I was immediately pointed in the direction of Aloo Tikki chaat. With my curiosity piqued, I made my way to the Sadar Bazaar where I discovered a small but delightful eatery that specialized in chaat items. I wasted no time in ordering the Aloo Tikki chaat, and as soon as I took my first bite, I knew I had found something special. Upon my return home to Hyderabad, I was disappointed to find that people here couldn't distinguish between ragda and tikki. So, determined to experience the deliciousness once again, I took it upon myself to recreate this dish from scratch. In this video, I'm excited to share with you the recipe for this mouth-watering dish straight from the lively streets of Agra. We start by boiling around 500 grams of potatoes and seasoning them with salt and pepper. To bind everything together, we add half a cup of rice flour and corn flour, adjusting the quantities based on the water content of the potatoes. After mixing everything together, we set the mixture aside for 10 minutes while we prepare the green chutney. Using a blender, we combine green chilies, fresh mint leaves, ginger, garlic, and salt to create a flavorful paste. Once blended to perfection, we transfer the chutney into a bowl and add a few tablespoons of curd just before using it. Next, it's the time to make the tikkis. We heat up some ghee and oil on the stove and form the mixture into round balls, patterning them into discs or tikkis. Shallow frying them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, we carefully watch them dance in the oil until they turn golden brown. Finally, we plate the tikkis and add the green chutney, meaty chutney and dahi. Sprinkling some chaat masala on the top, we are left with a visually stunning and deliciously satisfying dish. If you enjoyed watching this video, please show some love by liking and subscribing to Anish Kitchen for more high quality aesthetic cooking videos. Don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video on how to make meaty chutney. Thank you and happy cooking.